Jasmycoin just tapped into the bearish order block we've been waiting for days. So in this video, we're going to be talking about the price update for Jasmycoin. The current price of Jasmy is seated at 0.014. We are left with 9 minutes until this current 4-hour candle closes. Now, as you can see, when we tapped into the bearish order block, we got a rejection, and we are now trading below the bearish order block. Now, we're going to be talking about the next potential price move for Jasmycoin, and not to forget, we are going to talk about the BTC dominance on the 4-hour time frame. The bounce we predicted is already happening on the BTC from the precise price level we gave as well. We are also going to talk about the BTC dominance on the monthly time frame in order to get a clear picture of what we should expect the BTC price as well. BTC has been in a parabolic move ever since, and we're also going to talk about the orders chart on the weekly time frame as well. Not to forget the total 3 market cap, altcoin market cap excluding BTC and Ethereum. If you're paying attention, the altcoin season index is currently seated at 31%. We are gradually moving into the altcoin season. We swept this liquidity the exact way we predicted we were going to sweep it. When we eventually swept this liquidity, tapped into this bearish order block, I think we pumped all the way to 0.01538. So we are now currently trading below the bearish order block because we got a rejection from there. Now, I told you guys the rejection we are going to get is likely to reject the price of Jasmy back to around 0.014 zone. Now, the moment this rejection is completely retesting that zone, then the next pump is definitely, from the look of things, considering the market sentiment favoring altcoins. As long as the market sentiment continues to favor altcoins continue to recover, then the next attempt, Jasmycoin is going to invalidate this bearish order block, flip it into a support. And I told you guys, the moment it's flipping it into a support, then begin to see a massive rally to around 0.01765, and we also have a massive resistance which is valid on both the lower time frame and higher time frame. Massive resistance around 0.020. So the moment we are getting the pump to 0.017, we should expect to see a correction from there to maybe around 0.0 to maybe this order block, and then continue, get another bounce from there. Now, the thing is, if you're paying attention, most altcoins and also BTC is currently having just a minor pullback, a shallow pullback. That is to say, if care is not taken, your entry levels will begin to end up not getting filled. So the 0.02, which is 2 cent zone, is a very, 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 very significant level we should expect a correction from. And the correction should happen to around 0.018. And then the next pump is definitely going to break above that 2 cent level, flip it into a support. The moment we flip the 2 cent zone into a support, then Jasmycoin is going to begin to rally aggressively to the upside. If you're here to like this video, please smash the like button, destroy the like button, share this video with your friends and family. For those new to my channel, once again, my name is Isaac. You're welcome. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Turn on the bell icon to get notified each time I drop new video. In our previous video, I specifically drew you guys' attention to this level, which I'm expecting a bounce for the BTC dominance, and the level around 64.54%. That was exactly what happened. It's almost as if the BTC dominance on the 4-hour time frame had the instruction we gave to get a reversal pump from there. Now, we are currently seated at 64.82%. We are left with 40 minutes until this current 4-hour candle closes. If you're paying attention, BTC price has retraced a little bit to $117,000. Ethereum retraced to $2,986. The fear and greed index, the entire cryptocurrency market fear and greed index, is seated at 67%, indicating greed. In a full-blown altcoin season, we can be in the greed and extreme greed zone for weeks and months. The altcoin season index is currently indicating 31%. but we are still in the BTC like season. So soon we are going to be approaching the altcoin season. The moment this BTC dominance chart on the monthly time frame breaks like below this strong resistance, breaks below 60%. The 60% level is a psychological price level for the BTC dominance. The moment we are breaking below the 60%, retesting the resistance, then we should expect further price drop to the downside. Now, it will be wise to start taking massive profit the moment the BTC dominance approaches 47%. Start taking massive profit off your asset, and the moment it gets to 39%, which is the historical bottom for the BTC dominance, because that was what happened in 2021 bull market cycle. Same thing happened in 2018 market cycle. The month of May was usually the bottom for the BTC dominance, but a lot of things changed this time around in this market cycle, which like affected the timing of the market. Like I've said in the previous video, it can only be delayed but not denied. The altcoin season is inevitable. BTC pumped all the way to $118,404. BTC is still currently leading the way in as much as altcoins are already recovering, as you can see over here. Most altcoins are gradually recovering now, but we need to see the BTC price like cool down for a moment, and we need to see the BTC dominant retrace aggressively. Like I've said countless times, the moment you start seeing the BTC dominance retrace aggressively to the downside, that is deep dump to the downside, and you see the BTC price pumping, then the altcoin market are going to explode in price. But the moment the BTC dominance start pumping to the upside and BTC price is pumping, the altcoins are going to bleed. And if the BTC price is dumping and the BTC dominance is pumping, then altcoins are going to dump the hardest. If the BTC dominance is like dropping to the downside, dumping, and the BTC price is consolidating, moving sideways in a ranging phase, then altcoins are going to have a relief rally. So you all should pay attention. The last time the BTC dominance corrected minus 4%, I think we had a massive move. Some altcoins were pumping 40%, 100% in a day. That was a few months ago. Just 4% correction. Now imagine what will happen when the BTC dominance start correcting minus 10%, minus 20%, minus 30%, minus 39%. It's going to be monstrous. The gains are going to be out of this world, like seriously. So you all have to like take every dip seriously. Every healthy pullback you see on any chart now should be like taken seriously. Healthy pullback, high probability pullback. Now this is the others cryptocurrency market chart on the weekly time frame, excluding top 10 cryptocurrencies in the crypto space. The current market cap is seated as $264 billion. We are left with 2 days and 17 hours until this current weekly candle closes. Now, I think we're constantly updating you guys about this others chart when we're even yet to get this massive pump on this weekly candle. And I told you guys previously, when several months ago, when this others chart formed this pattern, we broke out, flip it into a support, and then got a massive rally of over 5 weeks to the upside. Now, that was in 2024, by the way. Same thing has now flashed. Same chart pattern has now presented itself. And what happened? When it presented itself, we flipped it into a support, and we are now we broke out, flipped it into a support, and we are now currently pumping to the upside. By the way, before I proceed, once again, if you're here to like this video, please smash the like button. If you're here to subscribe to my channel, turn on the bell icon to get notified each time I drop new video. I think this pump is going to be more massive than the previous pump we had. This time around, we might end up taking out this $491 billion, which was the previous high in the last market cycle, November 8, 2021. The reason why I think we are going to take out that previous high is because from the look of things, this pump, the pump we are going to have next is going to align with the altcoin season. And the moment the BTC dominance start dumping aggressively and BTC continue her pump or consolidate, then altcoin season is going to like be in play immediately, which this orders chart is going to explode like to the upside. We might even tap into 600, 700 billion dollar market cap for the orders chart. Now, considering the high adoption rate, the institutional adoption, government involvement, and all that, I even think we might end up tapping into the $1 trillion, 1 point something trillion dollar zone. It might even go beyond that. You never can tell. This is the crypto total market cap excluding BTC and Ethereum. This is, we call it the total tree market cap. You understand, the total tree chart. The total tree chart on the daily time frame is left with 16 hours and 33 minutes until this daily candle closes. Now, we are currently seated at $912 billion in the total trade chart. We need to finally sweep this liquidity right here to tap into this bearish order block, which we are likely to get a slight correction from there, bounce from this previous liquidity we swept, and then finally invalidate the bearish order block. The moment we are invalidating it, flipping it into a support, then I think we are going to begin to tap into the $1 trillion, 1.5, 2 trillion, 2.5 trillion dollar zone for the total tree. So as always, my name is Isaac. Invest wisely. Peace out.